Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer Spotify playlist to Apple Music. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. You've got playlists which you want to move from Spotify to Apple Music. To go and do this, we're going to be using an app. So open up the App Store and go and search for something called SongShift. Go and download it and go and open it up. Now what we need to do is go and connect the services, in this case Spotify and Apple Music. Apple Music is at the top, so let me go and click on it. I'll press continue and I'll press allow, and we've now connected it. And I'll then scroll down to Spotify and go and click on it. I'll press open and we can then go and connect it super simply. After you've gone and connected it, you'll then be brought back here. And then what you can do is go and press continue, and we can go and click on get started. Now what we can do is come to shifts at the bottom and click on the new create plus button in the top right. And then what you want to do is come in to where you want to transfer it from. In this case, we want to transfer a piece from Spotify. So I'll click on playlist in Spotify section. If you want to do multiple at once, you need to get the pro version of the app. And now you just have to select your playlist which you want to transfer, and your playlist will be transferred to Apple Music. Since I don't have any playlist right now, but if you have, you can easily transfer by following these steps. So that's basically how you can transfer Spotify playlist to Apple Music. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.